Alright guys, we had one of our large oak trees blow down in a windstorm a while back, and I've been wanting to flip the stump up for a while, and so I figured I'd go out there and start on it today and bring you guys along. So hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll get going here. Come on, start. Hey, what?
Well, I want to see if I get this area to dry out, but
I don't get it. Your carburetor's probably smoked because you haven't cleaned it or done anything to it. Haven't blown it out. Don't say that.
might as well turn that back off. That's not the carburetor.
That's my fuel pump.
Well, yeah, it's not hooked up yet. Because the carburetor has its own. The Chinese carburetor has a fuel pump on it. But just got fuel. Hold on.
Alright guys, I spent a bunch of the day yesterday cleaning metal out of this stump, cutting a piece that was partially cut. Wanted to get the metal out of it because it's on the neighbor's property and I didn't want him getting into as much metal as I could get rid of with his chainsaw. So I didn't film any of it just because I spent most of the day slabbing a piece off with my chainsaw that doesn't have a long enough bar on it. So Tyler's gonna help me, my son Tyler, and he's got his Alice Chalmers. He's shaking his head, yeah. I always mispronounce it. I want to say Chamlers or something. So he's gonna use his tractor. Hopefully we're gonna pull this over no problem. You know, I have my doubts, but we're gonna find out. So you guys are gonna be along for the ride. All right.
This is all off, right?
It's on.
The fence.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I think I better drill that. Oh, wow.
Oh, this thing is way bigger than
hard
it
was.
was.
Huh?
Oh, this thing's just huge.
Yeah, I understand. I understand the concern.
I don't know if the old AC is gonna pull this.
Find out.
You're gonna have to watch that. If that starts to rip out, we're gonna have to do something else.
Okay. I have bigger bolts than this. A lot bigger. That's softer. Okay.
Is this where you cross right here?
No, I walk in the mud, but yeah, that's the easiest place to cross. So we're gonna put the cable over there and the soft shackle here. But I don't know how far it's gonna reach.
Let's don't try throwing it across. I'll instead try and
No, I'm gonna hook it to the
walk
cable
it.
and then you're gonna walk it.
Yeah.
I gotta get this all flattened out here.
Here, let me see that button here. If Alice Chalmers does this, I'll be very
Impressed. That can go in the.
It should flip it. If it doesn't, it's either gonna peel out or like pull it into the middle of the pond.
You're just gonna tug on it and see if it does anything. If it doesn't do a lot,
Wait a minute. How are you? Where's your thingy?
we gotta go get it.
Oh, you forgot it?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's okay.
Where's it at?
It's in the part that says clevises. Let me get up on this stump and I'll get this over to you. Oh, this is gonna be plenty long. Plenty. Hold on. Hold on to it. Hold up, hold up. I know you can't. That's what we were talking about earlier.
Hold on, just hold on.
No, I have to do it on my end. Stop.
Okay.
Okay, we got to unravel it. We got to unravel this thing.
Which way do I need to go?
That way. Yep. Right there.
Is that all of it?
Hold on. Yeah, you may end up having to. You may end up having to go over there. I don't know. Is it pretty dry right there? I actually think you're going to have to go over there somewhere. It gets bad right there, right? That's straight over the top, right where you're at. That's not terrible right in there, is it? Okay, so that's snugged up, and then we're hooked on over here. Go ahead and give a little pull. Well, I mean, it's moving the stump. Don't flip it over. What? Don't flip over. You might be able to pull it over. Oh, hold up. Did you spin out? Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to quickly digging a hole. Okay, stop. I wish I could have got in there and thrown a log under it. Alrighty, take two. Okay, just listen for me to holler. No, you're peeling out. You gotta give it. You can't peel out. You gotta back up a little bit. Move over. Oh yeah, you gotta move over. You're gonna go back in the same holes, Ty. There you go. And you're probably gonna wanna gently take off a little bit. What? You're gonna wanna try to take off, and maybe with a little, not too hard though. Not too hard. No?
Okay.
Jacking this thing up.
About to max the 3-ton, it's coming up. The jack's about to flip up.
Okay. Can I have that one there?
Watch out for that jack, boy. That thing comes flying out of there.
Well, thankfully I'm on the other side of it.
Okay, it's recording.
All right, guys, we're getting close. We got 3 pieces of material stacked up over here. I don't really know how close we're getting, but it seems close. Am I in frame?
Yeah. Is that all you want, or you want still?
Can you turn it?
No,
maybe?
you're in frame.
Oh, I'm okay.
Perfect.
Good.
They can't see the blocks, but
They can't see the blocks?
no, they can see you're jacking.
Can you move it back?
There's no way. The post is in the road no matter what.
Can you move it next to the fence and back?
I think they might be able to see it there.
Okay. Woo.
Throw a 2x4.
Can I have that 2x6? I'm going to take these screws out.
6x6?
Yes, sorry.
Is that gonna slide out? That's good. That's enough.
Oh yeah, matey.
Watch that jack.
My name's Marty T.
Seriously, watch that jack. Oh. Okay, now reposition that jack again. Something. How far over are we? That's better.
Oh yeah, I got some angry goats.
It might actually just go over on its own. That's about to slip out of there. Like, seriously, the jack thingy is actively coming off. Oh. I think you need to fix the left tire on your jack. Well, I think you just slipped off the wood, so it's worse. Yeah, it's just going next to the about to flip over. Let's tail that away from it.
You want to pull on it with the tractor?
I don't think it's doing it, but I can try, Dad. I mean,
Let me get this. Let me get.
I don't know.
You got to reposition. Let me get the. Don't pull it tight because you're gonna knock it off of that stuff. Let me put screws in that so it doesn't come out.
What
What?
I'm worried that I pull it up and those slip off or fall over.
They
and
shouldn't.
Then I get ripped backwards by it.
Wait a minute. I can make a double stack right next to it so it can't come out. That's what I'll do. Let me get some screws in here.
Yeah, I'm not super fond of, because I just don't think it's got the gumption still to pull it. I just don't think it's got the gumption still to pull it over.
I do. In the grass, when you get in the grass. What?
Brownie's through the fence.
Whip him. He knows he's not supposed to do
Where's
that.
the whip?
What do you mean? There's sticks laying all over the ground. Oh yeah, you're flipping this over for sure. I think you're gonna flip this over no problem. I'm gonna. Oh, sad. I'm gonna film and yell. You don't know?
No. Oh,
What?
that's soaked. That looks soaked, isn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah. Put poop on your head.
You gotta back up and move over.
You need to help me. You gotta get the, you gotta hold the thingy.
Hold the thingy. The cable? This thing's way over center. All of a sudden it got super easy. Here, I can just hold on to this while you back up and go where you want to go.
No, I don't have time to. It's actually way out.
I don't think you need to go over very far. Okay, I think you should just go for it. Go, go, go! Yeah, go, go, go! Go, go, go! Yeah, go, go, go! I don't think I actually had that recording. Maybe.
Wow, actually, that's pretty impressive. Got a lot of
And
weight
for
on
a second, you started to go and it didn't move, and then finally it started moving.
it. It actually worked. I was able to chooch it like.
So what you didn't see when you were sitting up over there, I jacked up a little more and actually tilted those far enough that they were like that direction. Look how far it slid out.
Maybe I have.
I think they just started
Sweet. Pretty awesome.
They are probably
Oh.
they're so big that they rot inside. These guys go just come up. They got
Yeah.
they got to look in there and make sure there's a fair cage.
Yeah. Did you record it? I think I did.
I'm sure I got it
But it
on.
almost didn't do.
Oh, did you peel out?
Yeah, go look over there.
Oh yeah, you were barely chooching and then it went. I was like, oh. It almost didn't go.
Those strings.
Alright guys, we used a tire to keep the cable from, if it came off the stump over there, use that tire, and then gonna have to fill some holes here. Yeah, so it worked really well. It's okay. Yikes. Great success. We used a choker cable to do all the pulling. The truck cable was just too wimpy.